Okay, with some careful planning, we have my Rube Goldberg machine as an example. So I used balsa wood from my box of balsa, and I used this old desk that no one is allowed to write on, just so you know. It's completely not allowed, Jenna Elliott. So anyway, here is my idea, that I have spheres. One is a smooth, one is a rough steel sphere, smooth steel, smooth wood, and then I have very large beefy sphere that is steel, so it's obviously much larger. Bam, put that right on the edge of the table. And then it looks like we have like T-Rex or a Allosaurus. And T-Rex is standing down here precariously perched on this ramp. And the attempt is to get him to fly up in the air and land back up on the table. Now, we'll see if that can happen. So, first and foremost, I want this smooth steel sphere to be here on this arrow. I want my little race car to be at the edge here, just so he can go over here and bop the smooth wooden sphere. Just gotta bop it. I have that toy, the bop it toy, somewhere. And of course, setting this up. There we go. And then this thing is going to go up here at the start. So, right here, we get a start. We should come down here, bounce, absorb energy here, come down, contact this, send it forward while it stops. We'll see. So it goes forward, comes down, hits the car, which hits the wooden sphere, which travels forward, comes down here. But this steel sphere, when it hits the car, it should slip past, hit, bounce, come back down here, beat the wooden sphere, drop down, come down, and hit this sphere, falling on the lever, which should actuate and then throw T-Rex back onto the table, or at least over the table. We'll see. So here we go. Bounce, absorb energy, coming back, tap, go, just barely, and pop it, and oh no, the car ruined it, failure. We got to reset. That is the first failure we've had of the car. Or actually, no, I'm sorry. It's the second failure. The wooden ball doesn't want to stay. It has to be precariously perched right here. Alright. Come on back. Alright, so let's reset. There is the rough steel sphere. There's the smooth steel sphere set up. Coming back ever so slowly, and bam! Oh yeah, no, the car did it again. And it didn't even hit. What's going on? Let's try to put this up here. So I've angled the car. Instead of being here, I think he must have moved when I drew my little pieces. Put the steel sphere back on the dot. Rough steel sphere. Little start. Get it. There it goes. Now, is the steel sphere going to pick up more energy. Quick, and it goes. Bam! Oh! It just missed. Anyway, you can see what we wanted to do. We missed the table by this much. He's supposed to land back up here. In all honesty, he hasn't ever landed on the table. He's gotten close twice. But that's just something to work out. So we persevere. We use the iterative process. Every time that I've gone through, I've changed a little bit. I changed my attachment methodology. I used to do tape, but then I had to switch to hot glue because the structure just kept bouncing and moving and things like that. So I had to glue it down. Sometimes I had to put braces to firm everything up. This wasn't absorbing much energy, so I just left it. Anyway, 6 minutes seems like too long a video, so y'all enjoy and get ready to build your own, of course.